commodities industry relies on open borders. A unit of a material that we produce has to move around to different countries and through different borders until it ends up at an end customer. For us, it's very important that there are no barriers to trade. And we've seen increasingly that this fundamental pillar of the world economic order is being eroded. That's a threat to business, and that's a threat to growth. And it's also a threat to consumers who don't get the benefits of cheap products. CATL, for example, which is by far the largest manufacturer of battery storage systems for electric vehicles and also for electricity generation. They are also probably the most competitive company. They should be exporting to around the world, and they should be setting up manufacturing centers around the world. But for them, it's very complicated because there's so many...
De-risking.
And that's very unfortunate because not everyone in the world now has access to those products that are the most competitive. 50% of cars sold in China this year will be electric. There isn't that much growth left, whereas in other countries it's 5%. United States is about 6 or 7%, of which the majority is California, right? So the growth is outside of China in these new energy vehicles and in energy transition technology. So Chinese companies have no alternative but to go out, and they should, because the world needs the technologies and the manufacturing prowess of the Chinese industry to decarbonize. There's no way the world will achieve the Paris goals for reducing carbon emissions without the capacity of the Chinese renewable energy